In this tutorial, we will talk about spreadsheets. What are spreadsheets? Here we have a small definition. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application or an electronic document used for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form, in which the data is arranged in rows and columns of a grid and can be manipulated and used in calculations. Now we'll see what actually all this means. So the first thing that we need to do is to start Microsoft Excel. You can click the start button, and then from this all programs you can find Microsoft Excel here. Okay, when we start this, you will have a blank workbook. You can click that and we have our Excel program open in front of us. Now spreadsheet is a grid which consists of rows and columns. Now these are our rows and these are columns. This area, the working area, is also called a worksheet. Like here you can see, once you start Microsoft Excel, you will find one sheet by default. So this is our sheet 1. Now just a little detail about all these things that you can see on a Excel program or Excel sheet. This is our ribbon, this area, which consists of different tabs, and in every tab you will find some groups of icons or tools. Okay, this one is a clipboard group, this is the font group, this is the alignment group, and then you can have some more illustrations or tables. Then you have the function library. Here you can have connections, sort and filter, or data tools. And once again, these are our columns, these are rows. This is our formula bar where we are going to type our formula. Now the point where the row and the column meet is known as a cell. The intersection point of a row and a column is called a cell. Now you can see there are so many cells in this worksheet. Now every cell has an address, a name, or a reference, which you can see here. Like here we have column is C and row is 3. So this cell is called C3. Now this C3 is the name of this cell, or it can be the address of this cell or the reference point for this cell. These are our vertical scroll bars. These are the horizontal scroll bar. This is the sheet tab. Here we have one sheet at the moment. I can add more by just pressing this click, by just pressing this plus sign. So now I have 2 sheets. Now this one Excel file is known as a workbook. One workbook can have multiple sheets, more than one sheet, or it can also have just one sheet. In Excel you can do the typing and manipulating different text, numbers, exactly similar to what you do in Microsoft Word. You can see here these two are very similar to Microsoft Word. So a simple typing here, you can type whatever you want to type. This can be a text or it can be numbers, but everything will be typed in a separate cell, or once you start typing from a cell, whatever you type will be inside that cell. For example, I start typing in cell A1. Now you can see that I started with A1, but this text covers up to C1. But inside the system, actually this is just A1. It's not B1 or C1. How? Let's just show you here. If I come and write here equal and A1 and I press enter, you can see the whole text is displayed here. So this covering here is just, it does not make much difference. Now if suppose I start on this cell, you can see this one is hidden now. So to show this one back, I can drag this like this, and even this one I can do it something like this. or if suppose it is here, I can just double click here and the complete cell will be visible.